Hello everyone, my name is Yogi Agrawal. I am the student of class 12 Commerce. I have prepared my accountancy board project file on the MRF company under the guidance of our superior teacher Mr. Atin Agrawal sir. Let's watch this. Let's start. This is my cover page. It indicates the handwork of jute.
Okay.
Next, my front page.
Very good.
Name, class and other.
Again reopen this. School name. Okay.
Name, class, session.
Very good.
Now
Next.
my certificate page.
Certificate. ठीक है.
Acknowledgement.
Acknowledgement. Okay.
Index. Now let's move to the company, the MRF company. It is about the MRF company, the Madras Rubber Factory,
Madras Rubber Factory, the full form of MRF company. Okay.
started in 1992.
ठीक है.
The MRF company, history of MRF company through a memory wheel,
Wow. Year by year.
year by year, till 2024.
Nice. History of MRF.
History of MRF company. The board of directors,
Wonderful. Board of directors.
founders,
First board of founders.
founders, the non-executive directors, executive and independent directors.
Okay.
The growth chart,
Growth chart.
shareholding
With
pattern,
comment. Shareholding
comment.
pattern.
and statics.
Shareholding pattern. Promoters,
Shareholding
FII,
patterns.
mutual fund,
FII,
retail and
mutual
other
funds and retailers.
others. Okay.
The corporate social responsibility in the areas of education, health and sport.
Okay.
The SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis. Strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threats with comment.
Okay.
The products of MRF company. The cricket
Products.
kit, car tires, rubber toys, tubes,
क्रिकेट किट भी है.
cricket kit, MRF
Tubes.
Space Foundation के through,
Okay.
and MRF tires. To the
Competitors.
competitors, MRF,
MRF के कॉम्पिटिटर में है
Bench, बिरला,
सीएट, बिरला, अपोलो,
Apollo,
जेके टायर.
JK
अच्छा सब इसमें भी है. जेके टायर, अपोलो और पीछे भी है. ओके.
TVS.
नाइस.
Now let's come to the financial statement analysis of MRF company. This is the balance sheet.
Open the balance sheet. Year 2024-25. The total of balance sheet is 29,996 crore.
96. The balance sheet of the company.
Done.
The statement of profit and loss. With profit before tax, after tax, and other comprehensive income. Let's move to the horizontal analysis, comparative. The vertical,
Comparative balance sheet.
the
Okay.
vertical analysis. The comparative statement of profit and loss. Horizontal analysis. Common size balance sheet.
Common size balance sheet. Okay.
Common size statement of profit and loss. Let's move to the cash flow statement.
Yes. You were prepared by yourself.
Yes, sir. This is prepared by the data given in above of MRF company by me.
249 crore balance.
49 crore the balance.
Cash balance company has.
Next, the ratio analysis. First is the liquidity ratio. Quick and current. We have calculated the ratio by analyzing the 2 year of the ratios with a comparative comment. 2000 financial year
For example,
23-24.
For example,
For example, we have
you have
concluded
find out current ratio.
Current ratio.
Current assets, current liability 2023, 24, 24, 25.
With the comparatively comment.
Okay.
Same as quick ratio with 23, 24 and the comparative comment. The
Next.
solvency ratio. Debt to equity 23, 24. 25,
Same as
26.
before.
Same as before with comparative comment and propriety ratio. The interest coverage ratio 23, 24 and with comparative comment. The total asset to debt and debt to capital employed ratio
Wow. बढ़िया.
in a pop-up form. The activity ratio, inventory turnover ratio with comment. The trade receivable ratio 23, 24 with comment. Trade receivable turnover ratio and working capital turnover ratio with comment. The fixed assets turnover ratio and capital employed ratio. Profitability ratio.
How many ratio you have find out?
We find out all 18 ratios.
All 18 ratios.
Yes, sir.
So nice of you.
The gross profit and net profit ratio.
Oh, gross profit, net profit ratio. Okay.
Operating profit ratio. Operating cost ratio. And return on investment.
Nice. Okay.
The reason why I choose this company.
Why?
Because
Tell
the
us.
MRF company is a very old company and it is established a market very well. The one share of MRF company is about 1,12,000. That is very highest level of shares. So I have interest in it. Let's move to the conclusion. Then the bibliography. The channel Classroom Karibi helps me the most in preparing the file.
Content MRF tires wikipedia.org.
Wikipedia and
Analysis.
the analyzing by the our book NCRT and the financial statement of PSK.
That's end of the file.
That
Okay.
is my file, and I wish my juniors will make this big better than this file, and all the best.
All the best for your board exam, beta.
Thank you, sir.
And